lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi Air Signs, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for December the 8th to December the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Ayan. So kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, no, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nasa baba po yung question form. No? Nandun po yung amount din. How much per question, the name, the number, QR codes for your reference. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo pong i-check din yung ibang readings, iba-iba po yung readings natin sa Facebook at sa TikTok. No? So, might as well, sundan nyo na rin po ako sa ating Facebook. Ayan. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Air signs. Simulan na natin. So, ang nakikita natin dito, bakit ka pa bumabalik? No? Or bakit mo pa ako iniistorbo? Bakit ka kalabit ng kalabit? One thing's for sure, meron ditong separations. The separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different barangay. Para po ito sa mga bagong hindi naiintindihan yung comparison ng physical and energetic separation, because this is going to be, separations can be vague, no? And we have a different interpretation of it when it comes to tarot reading, so that we can parang narrow down, diba? The cause and the situation per se. So, physical separation pwedeng nasa kabilang barangay, nasa kabilang bahay, no? Meron kayong yung agwat, no, na physical na form, no? Pwedeng nasa ibang city, state, county, country, different continent, ayan. Energetic separations. Ito po yung pwede naman kayo magkasama sa isang bahay pero hindi kayo nagpapansinan. Pwede kayo magkasama sa trabaho pero parehas kayo naka-block, no? Or nasa isang kwarto nga kayo pero palagi naman kayo magkatalikod, hindi kayo nag-uusap, no? Nasa school, kahit tingin ayaw tignan, no? So meron kayong physical somehow contact, no? Pero hindi naman yung energy nyo is in separation, or pwede din itong combination na kung medyo mas masakit yun. Na magkalayo na, hindi pa nag-uusap or pwedeng naka-block pa. Ngayon, ang sinasabi mo dito, ang pinakamalala nito, kunyari naka-block pa siya, or naka-block na, gumagawa pa ng ibang dummy account, no? Or alam mo na dummy account to Alam ko na somewhat, no? Someone is watching me. Someone is keeping tabs on me. Parang ang lakas ng kutob ko, no? Na dito sa my day ko, no? Sa aking story, no? Merong nakamasid. Either directly, kamag-anak, kaibigan, na pwedeng i-report sa akin, no? Or pwedeng i-report sa kanya. Alam mo, ang pinakagusto dito ni person is kung pwede lang, no, balikan or bumalik kayo sa dating paano kayo naging kayo or kung paano nyo iniwan yung relasyon at ipagpatuloy ito. Siguro in a good way kasi um, ang nakikita ko dito with a co-create, merong lang pinagsamahan, no? Naudlot, sabihin natin, or nag-pause, pero meron dito ding need or want, no? Na gusto kong idiretso, gusto kong bumalik, gusto kong itry uli, no? Or gusto kong, how can I say this? Ipagpatuloy. Kumbaga, kapag or nagli-listen tayo sa song, naka-pause, no? Gusto niyang i-click yung play button muli. Tapos, ikaw naman, sabi mo, bakit? Para ano pa? So, sa'yo, merong pang galit. Pwede nating i-touch yung energy ng galit kasi nararamdaman ko pa no? Nandun pa yung galit, yung inis, yung tampo, no? Yung sa kanya, parang medyo nagmamakaawa na or yung kumbaga, blame it on me, no? Kung kinakailangan ka magalit sa akin, do it by all means, pero wag mong wakasan, no? Wag mong i-end sa ganito yung relationship because hindi ko kakayanin. What I wanted in here is to really go back to you, be with you again, the high priestess. You know, no? Somewhere along the line, ayan na, maging honest na tayo, no? Sa ating, minsan, kaya natin to ginagawa. Yun din kasi yung alam mong magiging paraan para gawin nila itong bagay na ito. You probably planned this, no? Or somewhat, at the back of your mind, you foresee all this. Kaya ito yung naging decision mo is for them to chase you, no? Yun naman talaga, tayong dalawa lang naman nag-uusap, no? Hayaan natin sila. Kumbaga, it was a plan that works, no? Hindi para lang din yung kasi galit ako, no? Galit ako, gagawin ko to para malaman niya na galit siya at bumalik siya sa akin. At pagbalik niya, meron siyang clarity, no? Alam niya yung dapat niyang gawin para, kumbaga, hindi ko naman siya tatanggapin din. Well, tatanggapin ko siya. Hindi ko siya tatanggapin kung hindi siya magbabago at wala akong promise na maririnig. Yun. So, pero yung sa'yo, ginawa mo to not to end, no? Pwedeng, you probably mentioned it, no? Na I'm going to end this relationship, but deep inside, no. Hindi yun talaga, no? I'm going to end this relationship, pero what I'm trying to say here is magbago ka. What I'm trying to say here is to admit, own up, no, to your, to your wrongdoings, have a ball, no? So, man up with your, for hurting me, no? With the Two of Cups, alam mo dig, mahal ka pa. I think siguro gusto mo lang mangyari dito, alugin. Ano ba yung inaalog mo? Ayan, mausapin yung sipon ko. Naku, pasensya na, may sipon pa tayo. No, baka biglang tumulo dito. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na may sakit pa ang inyong lingkod, no? Pero, ang sinasabi mo dito is, alam kong mahal mo ko, no? Alugin ko lang yung utak mo, baka nakakalimutan mo. Ako to, no? Baka nakakalimutan mo. Ako to, ako pagaganituhin mo, no? Hello, gising-gising tayo, no? I think na lumayo tayo with the Chariot, no? At tayo mismo yung either nag-back out in energetic or in physical form. Tayo mismo yung bumitaw, no? Kasi you want to put this connection into another level. Baka kasi tinatamad siya, no? At sinabi mo sa sarili mo, ay gago ka pala eh, no? Iistorbohin mo ko, tapos ipapakita mo sa akin na tatamarin ka, ay sira ulo, no? With the Six of Cups, ngayon, anong pakiramdam? Nako, ang haba ng hair, girl, ang haba ng hair mo, no? Or boy, ano ba pwedeng humaba? Kung ano pwedeng humaba sa'yo, no? Aray ko, Diyos ko. Parang sinasabi mo sa kanya, anong pakiramdam ng wala ako sa feeling mo? 'Di ba? Gusto mo siyang bigyan ng leksyon. Yun eh. Masakit para sa'yo with the Three of Swords, clarified with the Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles. Masakit sa'yo. Masakit din sa'yo yung ginagawa mo. Pero parang meron ka ditong either vision or somewhat, no, yung sinabi ko nga na foresee mo yung mangyayari. Pag ito yung ginawa ko, ito yung kalalabasan. It's a win situation for me, not a win. It's a win for you. But it make it appear, but you made it appear na it's a win-win situation, no? Pag ginawa mo to, babalik ako. You made it appear na tayong dalawa lang yung nag-uusap. You made it appear na it's a win-win situation, but it's actually a win situation. Double win para sa'yo, di ba? Wala na ditong ano yun. Wala na ditong, anong tawag dyan? Mga palabok. Yun talaga yun, no? Brainy. With the Nine of Cups and the Queen of Swords. So what I am seeing in here is parang nakakita ko ng domination, no? I just hope na hindi mo ito gagamitin sa maling paraan, no? Or hindi mo gagamitin ito ng madalas, no? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito medyo magiging submissive, no? Bakit ako nakalun? Nako ha. Either feeling ko ikaw mismong manonood, you have someone on your mind, let me know sa comment section. Kasi, bagong kain ka ba? Or either acidic, no? Parang may hangin na gustong lumabas sa bibig ko. Gusto kong dumighay na ewan. I don't know, but let's go back to the reading. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, medyo dominant tayo or magiging dominant tayo dito sa relasyon na ito. Because I feel like nahuli mo yung strength mo dito sa connection, nahuli mo din yung weakness niya, and it kind of make me feel like you will drive the connection very well, and I just hope you just not going to do this again because of you want to manipulate things, no? With the Magician, ayan na nga, the Strength card, I just mentioned the Strength card, and the King of Pentacles. So, I think that you have this wish, no, or manifestations of parang for once, no, gusto mong makita yung generosity, no, nung person mo. I feel like medyo nagdadamot din sila sa time, energy, effort, emotion. But I feel like you push the boundaries, you push the envelope, and you won, no? Makukuha mo yung gusto mo dito, which is them being generous enough for you to feel that you are important and loved, no, dito sa relationship. So, yeah, this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below, no? If you have any suggestions or if you have questions, as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, pwede po kayong dumiretso dun sa ating description box. There is a link, no? Sa link po na yun, you'll see the question form. Nasa baba po yung amount per question, the name, number, QR code, no, for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, dun din po siya sa same form. Hanapin nyo lang yung QR code. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So what I am seeing in here is Cancer, uh, Pisces, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Taurus, or Virgo, Capricorn, Leo. Did I just mention Sagittarius? Yes, so this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, you know what to do. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.